Well, I've learned many types of technologies. In fact, more technologies that I've ever learned in my life. Let me just start off with Premiere Pro. It's not an easy software. At the starting of the year, many people struggled with Premiere Pro, and I was one of them. I found it difficult. We were just about putting everything into the timeline. It was just chaos. Along with WordPress. I mean, you can ask nearly everybody in our media class, how was WordPress at the start of the year? They would say difficult. I promise they would say difficult, and it was. I mean, I don't blame them. WordPress is one of the leading softwares in the world. It must be difficult with the amount of tech that's in WordPress. Also, when we did our prelim task, we used standard definition cameras, which were pretty simple and basic. However, in the main task, we used 1080p full HD cameras, apparently, but yeah, I mean, quality was a lot better. Also, there was a lot harder to use with the autofocuses and stuff like that. And they were quite a lot smaller, so I must say I've learned quite a lot about HD cameras with this main task. Also, going back to Premiere Pro, now several months later, just after doing my main task, I'm a master at Premiere Pro. I know to put stuff on my timeline, fade in, fade out to make the transition between scenes smoother. This is done for effect because when changing scene, you don't want it to be jerky, you want it to be nice and smooth as possible. So that's a good thing. Also, another key thing we learned is the Ken Burns effect on Premiere Pro. This is a very good technology that we learned. The Ken Burns effect is basically getting a still image and giving it life, for instance, zooming it in or wiping it. We did a lesson on that. Many people missed that lesson. They were asking me for help, and I was really fortunate to have come to that lesson, and I'm very lucky. Also, I would like to say WordPress. Now we're into late April, and WordPress, I must say, our deadline's nearly coming up, and it's literally like on. We've literally got many things on WordPress. The blog's looking great. It just reflects what we learned with the pages, the main task, the prelim, the evaluation, the diary. Just see for yourself. Also, I've learned how to use a tripod, believe it or not, during my several months in media since my prelim to main task. Believe it or not, tripod may look like a simple thing, but it's actually very difficult to set up and difficult to get the angle. Sorry. You can see this in my main task where all the angles are pinpoint and sharp, and the lighting is good, which shows we have used tripods good. And that's it. Thank you.